What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. We are here at Epcot, and I have a question for you. Is Epcot the best Disney park right now? There's a lot of new updates, a lot of new changes, a lot of additions to the park, and this isn't even all of it. There's a lot more changes to come, and I'm really excited. So today we are talking about all the new changes, updates, additions, and even some future plans for Epcot to determine if this is the best Disney park right now. Let's go have a great day. And be sure to watch the video and give it a like because there's gonna be a giveaway in this one, so good luck. We're starting off with my favorite, Soarin' Over California, because it is back in Epcot for a limited time. You have to ride this one. Happy opening day of Journey of Water here in Moana. We got quite a line out here this morning, but here it is. And you can meet Moana right next door. How fun is that? So we did get a virtual queue, but they didn't even check it, and there's still a line, so you might not even need it. We were actually group 6 though. I got it this morning. 8:45 the queue opened, and we're gonna see how long it takes to get through this. Okay, just kidding, they are checking your queue right up here. I really like these flowers they planted along the line here. It's very Moana-esque. No one's in line for meeting Moana right now. Who she is? Oh, she's leaving. That's why. Moana. All right, we're almost at the entrance. It took about 8 minutes to get up here. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. The water cycle. Water connects us. Awesome. Rain. Do not drink the water. You put your hand through it here. Oh, it like makes noise. It's like an instrument. It's warm water. Feels good. All right. So I was always like wondering how this is gonna work. Like if it's gonna get backed up. I mean, it's not like super backed up, but you know, definitely a little backed up here. Stand on there and wave to the stream in front of you. We're doing it. Woo! Okay, so here's where it splits. Dry path, wet path. Might get a little wet here. All right, here we go. Ready? Woo! That's pretty cool, I won't lie. Look at that. Go down, and then, wow! Magic. Oh, they have restrooms in here. Good to know. Oh, wow. How pretty. This is so pretty. It's such a pretty shot right here. Look at that. River, I love this one. It's so cool. This is great. I like this addition to Epcot. I really do. Here we go. This says ocean. Oh, wow. Look at that. I'll help you out. Oh, oh, look, a little fun splash pad here. We love that. Jump on the thing to help send water back to the sky. Yeah, jump on it. Got my eyeball a bit there. All right, so we just did Journey of Water. I'm so excited. It's 10 o'clock. Now we have to get over to Remy's for our Genie Plus Lightning Lane for 10:35. That's when our time frame ends. I thought Journey of Water was really cute. I was a little iffy about it. I was like, it's just sprinklers, but it's fun. It's really interactive for kids. Like, they will get the biggest kick out of it. They're gonna love it, especially if they love Moana. You can meet Moana right next door. I think it's a great addition to Epcot, especially because we all know Epcot has been all walls, all construction. So you can definitely take some more time and walk through it and really read the signs. We were rushing a little bit because of our Genie Plus We have to get back to France Pavilion to get on Remy's or else we'll lose it. So we're not doing that. But I love Journey of Water. Nice addition to Epcot. Bonjour! We're in France. There I am. Hi. All right, their first new character interaction is Winnie the Pooh. You can go into Christopher Robin's room and meet Pooh. So we're gonna do that because, you know, we're in the UK, mate, so we might as well go meet Winnie the Pooh in Christopher Robin's room. There's also no line for this, so nice. Hey, hi Pooh Bear, the hug. Oh, so happy to meet you. He's so cute. Bye Pooh. And then right after that is a little gift shop. You can get this little Pooh. Oh, look how cute these are. Love them. And Eeyore. That was so great. I love Pooh in Christopher Robin's room. All right, a fairly new Food and Wine Festival booth. Swirled Showcase right here. We got some ice cream. I'm gonna get the Mickey-shaped liquid nitrogen cake and try it out. There's my cake pop. Ooh. Ooh, thank you. I love it. All right, there's nothing like ice cream for breakfast in Disney. We got the cake pop and the vanilla soft serve cone. The cone was actually more expensive than the cake pop. The cone was $6. This was like almost $5. I'm so excited to try it out. All right, let's try it out. So the liquid nitrogen makes it cold. Oh, that's chocolatey. It's kind of like a Mickey bar on the outside, but cake inside. And I like the little rocks on the outside. Yummy. This cake is actually really good. It's so moist inside. It's delicious. I can't wait for these construction walls to go away. You smell the construction too. Hopefully soon. Hopefully soon. What's slated to open here in December of 2023, which is next month, is a dedicated festival area called Communicore Hall and Plaza. They'll have some festival booths here. They'll have an outdoor space where you can relax and enjoy some live music. They'll have meet and greets and a bunch of different festival activities, and I'm very excited for this to finally open. Epcot is so crowded today. I don't even know what to do at this point. So it's 11:30. We just got food at Connections because I have a feeling later we're not going to be able to actually get anything. But I'm hungry, so let's eat. All right, so here's what we got. I got the kids, y'all know I love my kids' Disney meals. The kids' chicken strips comes with fries, orange, and a small drink. I got some Powerade. And then this is the American burger, just the burger, with fries and a soda. So bon appetit. We're in Connections. It's so nice. They block it off so that only people that actually have food can sit and eat, which is great. We love that. This is a line just to get the annual pass holder magnet, but I picked it up, so yeah, it's pretty. With all the new fun, exciting things coming to Epcot, they of course have some new Epcot merchandise. Here we have this Spaceship Earth. It's really heavy, $125. It's beautiful. This is super cute for kids, this little sweatshirt for $35. I actually like this tee. See the back. Oh yeah, very cute. Look how fun this one is for $60. Then we have the iconic Epcot Spirit jersey, white, and on the back, Epcot. And these new Epcot ears, they're a little iridescent. These are really pretty. And this Dooney and Burke, I like this print. It's really, really cute. Mickey and Minnie are in their 100th gear. Look how great they look. You gotta meet them here in ImageWorks building. You see them in their costumes. All right, third time today trying to meet Figment. Let's see if it's finally reopened. It was closed, not sure why. Oh, there's Joy. No one's meeting her. Oh, Figment's not out. Oh, okay. Hi, Joy. Oh, so good to see you. Oh, picture. Okay, we met Joy. There's nobody in here. but this is where he would meet. He comes out right here, and meets right in here. It's really cute in here though, like you can compose your own figment, little interactive elements. All right, I'm going with the music. I tried. So unfortunately, Figment's not coming out until 2:10. It's 1:25 right now, so I'm not gonna wait because we're gonna get on Guardians, but I wanna meet Figment. So all the Figment meet times are actually on the Disney app. Drivers, start your engines. It's time to get on Test Track because it's changing. So Disney recently announced, and I'm very excited for this announcement, that Test Track is changing. Now I know some people might not be excited because that means the ride is going to be down for quite a bit. However, I'm excited because I love the old Test Track so much more than this version of Test Track, to be honest. You can hear it behind me. They're going back to the original idea of the world of motion. If you haven't been on the original Test Track, it's kind of like they have test dummies. It's a test track, you know, it's a test car, you're the test dummies, and you're on the track, you test the brakes, you test the speed, you test the agility, and you go outside, test all the speed out, and it was better. The theming fit more. This theming is like meh, so there's no timeline on when the Test Track changes are gonna come, but something to look out for. This ride is changing. 4th try to meet Figment today. Please be a short line. This is probably like a good hour line. Don't think I'm gonna be waiting on this here. But, bye Figment. Okay, we didn't get to meet Figment, but we got to see him, so maybe next time. But yeah, that's a new Figment meet and greet. Food and Wine is one of Disney's longest festivals, and they actually update it. So there's new booths that were recently added a few weeks ago. So if you've come in July or August and you're coming back in October, you could try out some of the new food booths they added. This is an appreciation post for the Grand Fiesta Tour. It's a 20-minute wait. This is the most popular I've seen it. Hey, that was only 9 minutes. Let's go. I got some food from the Food and Wine Alps booth, so let's try it out together, shall we? Okay, so the raclette, my friend Margot, shout out to you, Margot, she made this for me, she's French, a few years ago, and I've been wanting to try this from the Food and Wine Festival ever since then. So I finally got to try it and get the bread, pickles, potatoes, and the cheese. You know, it gets a little hard, but that's okay, it's still good. I lost a strawberry. The wind blew it off of my plate. All right, let's try the fondue now. The thing is, like, all this food you have to eat so fast. Like, even my chocolate kind of like got funny. Pretty good dark chocolate though. Can't really go wrong. Food and Wine, cheers. All right, let's try this pound cake. Actually pretty moist. Not bad. I like this. I like both. Krystal Palace. Okay, I'm not sure what, this is supposed to be dollops of whipped cream, but they're like, no, they can't be, right? That's so funny. They must be like marshmallows or something. That's hysterical. Let me try it. Hopefully it's edible. I don't know what that is, but I think it's supposed to be hard. So a fairly new tip here in Epcot is in the Morocco Pavilion. All the way in the back, there's actually a free lounge that you can go into if you just answer a couple questions. So let's go head inside and check it out. It's right here. So this is actually an old restaurant that doesn't plan to reopen. It closed during the pandemic, and they converted it into a free lounge. You can get free water. All right, so let's check it out. I'm gonna get myself a water. All right, so here it is. So it's nice, shaded, quiet. Not sure how long it's going to be here for. They have sand art. It's concluded for the day. It's 4:30, but do have that activity. There are restrooms in here as well. In honor of Journey of Water opening, there's new Epcot maps. Here we go. Another new activity is this passport book. So it's a World Showcase passport pack where here in the Port of Entry store, you get a pin, a little passport book, and 77 stickers for $15. Great for kids. You can go around all the countries, put your stickers in the book, get a little pin. Super cute, fun activity to do. And as a thank you for watching this video and being a subscriber, I'm giving one of these away to one of you. If you would like to enter to win this amazing Epcot passport, I just love it. I think it's the cutest. Here's what you have to do. All you have to do to enter is be sure you're subscribed to the Krystal Palace on YouTube. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Disney World park is. And then for extra entries, go over to my Instagram at the Krystal Palace _. Make sure you're following me and leave some donut emojis in the comments of this picture right here. I'll be announcing the winner in my video on November 22nd, just in time for Thanksgiving. In terms of nighttime spectaculars, there will be a brand new show, Luminous, the Symphony of Us, debuting at Epcot on December 5th, 2023. It'll feature fireworks, fountains, lasers, lighting effects, musics, and so much more of that Disney magic. So this is the rideshare drop-off here in Epcot. They have no benches yet. So just, yeah, be prepared for that if you're doing rideshare at Epcot. All right, everyone, we're back where we started. What a day in Epcot. Now, do I think it's the best Disney park right now? I think, honestly, it just might become it. Once World Celebration opens, the festival, big marketplace area, I think once all the walls are down at Epcot and the construction is finally, monorail, construction is finally complete, I think this is going to be the best Disney park. Magic Kingdom is Magic Kingdom. You're never going to beat Magic Kingdom for the amount of rides, the nostalgia, but Epcot is going to have so much to offer once all the walls are down. Back in 2021, I didn't even want to come to Epcot because of all the walls. It was just so confusing. There was just way too much going on. The construction smells, nothing was open, but now we have Connections, Creations, Club Cool, Moana, Journey of Water. Things are starting to open up and Epcot is getting to be very popular. It's the place to be. You know, World Showcase was always amazing. You got Remy's, you got Frozen. So much fun going on here in Epcot. So let me know in the comments, what is your favorite Disney park? Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the Krystal Palace right down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.